What do you have for Eddie?
Well, I wanted to ask, because Eddie's been such a bear for so long, and it reminds me of 2008 and Oriel Rubini. So at what point do bears change their mind? Because it's usually, for me, bears stick to their guidance for a long time.
So I'm not a bear. Only when
Well, you did say that markets would fall, correct?
Yes. Well, I'm bearish because that's what the data says. People that are perma bears are always bearish. People that are perma bulls are always bull.
But you've been bearish for almost 2 years now.
No, November of last year is when I got bearish.
Okay.
I was extremely bullish
I feel like you've been bearish for 2 years. But okay, so my point is, when do you change your mind? When are you going to say, I'm going to go buy this market, is what I'm trying to ask.
So when the rate of change stops deteriorating, okay? I think the last leg to drop is going to be these mega cap tech stocks, because you talked about Carvana earlier, right? All those stocks have already lost.
They're already down 50%, 60,
Well, they've come back
70%.
nicely.
So
Meta's down about 75 almost.
Microsoft's come back nicely. So
if you look at pre-COVID levels of some of these stocks, that's where I think they're going to go on some of these stocks. Okay, look at Salesforce just the other day, right? They came out and revised future earnings and brought revisions down, and now, boom, their stock got crushed, and now it's back below pre-COVID levels. And what happens in the progression of these sell-offs is the small, I'll call them junkier companies without good balance sheets, sell off first, and then there's nothing else to sell other than the mega cap companies that are so widely owned.
But they're already, my point is, they're already down 50 to 60% for, if we're talking about Meta in particular, right? At what point, when they're already down close to those COVID levels, pre-COVID levels, do you go in and say, okay, it's time to buy this market? You already have treasuries at 3.5. Some would say, when you have treasuries at these levels, it's time to buy those triple Qs.
So look, people said that during the tech bubble burst, and Amazon went all the way down 80%. I think things are going to get worse from here. But again, you can't pick an exact bottom. We're going to start being big buyers in January, February, March, and then I'll be bullish.
Okay.
And you can call me a bull again. That's why my Twitter handle is Common Sense Bulls, because I try to take that approach.
We're waiting for that day to come, by the
Yes.
way. We eagerly await that, let me tell you.
Me too.
So are our viewers, by the way. Eddie, hold on. You're staying with us for the hour.